Oh, we're definitely documenting this. I am going to be cooking my first turkey for Thanksgiving, y'all. And everybody's been saying you gotta take it out the freezer like a week before you have to cook it. Oh! Listen, ain't nothing young about this turkey. Heavy as hell. We have to go weigh this. 14. Ooh, yay. I thought it was gonna be 20. Okay, good. 14.8 pounds, so... Oh, perfect. Just 3 to 4 days in the fridge. Okay. So I've actually been watching so many YouTube videos about this, y'all. I don't know what the heck to do with the turkey, but we shall see how this turns out. Ooh, this is gonna be a ride, y'all. I welcome any tips because I am a true beginner at this. I've never cooked a turkey in my whole life. I got my own family now, so I want to start practicing so that when we do have our own Thanksgivings at home, I can have a turkey on the table and it's gonna taste good and not dry. I hate dry turkey. So here's what we're gonna do. Just follow me on YouTube. I'm gonna be documenting this whole process. I'll see you in like, what, 4 to 5 days once it actually thaws. And then I'm gonna clean it out. Then I'm gonna put whatever I need to put in it. Y'all just follow me because this might be a disaster or this might be like the most awesomest thing ever.